Hello everyone, my name is Jason George and I work for LRQA as a team leader and a lead auditor for different certification schemes. LRQA is a globally leading inspection and certification body. Today I am here to talk about a very important certification scheme called ISO 3834. ISO 3834 certification scheme is offered by LRQA for manufacturers who fabricate their product by welding. So why ISO 3834 is important in the context of welding? Well, ISO 3834 can shape up your welding quality system and increase the productivity by applying quality control in welding and thereby demonstrating to your customers that you are a reliable manufacturer. There are several leading companies across the world have implemented ISO 3834 as part of improving their overall quality system. There are several reasons one should seriously consider implementing ISO 3834. There are many European standards have specified compliance to ISO 3834 as a prerequisite for achieving the overall product quality, such as EN 13445, EN 15085, EN 1090-2, to name a few. It gives you a competitive advantage over other companies who does not have a certified ISO 3834 quality system, which means you can stand out in tenders and potentially win more jobs. These days, many tender documents have specified ISO 3834 certification as a pre-qualification requirement for participating tenders. So if you do not have ISO 3834 certification, you cannot even participate in those tenders. So if you are interested to know more about ISO 3834 certification and how it is going to benefit you as a manufacturer, do contact us, drop us a note. We are happy to talk to you. Thank you very much.